Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. For today's video, I will show you how to find for the average from group data or the mean from group data. Let us take this example. A group of university students took part in a sponsored race. The number of laps completed is given in the table below. So let us use this information to find the mean for group data using Google Sheets. So as you can see here, there's 1 to 5, 6 to 10. If we will put this on Google Sheet, you have to put the lower limits 1, 6, 11 up to 36 in one column and 5, 10, 15, 20, the upper limits on a separate column. And then put the frequency on another column. Then the first step in finding for the mean is first find the total number of frequency. How to do that? Equal sign. There is a suggested formula here. You can actually click that and that is 91. Or there is another way. Just highlight all of them and on this side you could see the sum 91. But it is better if you have the value on your table. That is equal sign. Click that or 91. What if there is no suggested formula? How do you find the sum? Equals, type the word sum, open parenthesis, highlight, close parenthesis, and enter. So the total frequency is 91. That is the value of n, 91. You can change the color for you to recognize that this is the value of the frequency. Then after you find the value of the frequency, you can now find the class mark. If you want to learn how to construct a complete frequency distribution table, you can check the link here. So let us now find for the class mark. The formula is equal sign, open parenthesis, click the first lower limit, 1, plus, click the first upper limit, 5, close parenthesis, divide by 2, enter. And on my computer, there is a suggested autofill or there are values already. If you have that, you can click it. But if you don't have a suggested values, all you have to do is to go to the first cell, go to this side, and make sure the plus sign comes out and drag it down until here. There you go. Then, let us multiply the frequency and the class mark. The formula is equal sign. Click the first frequency 2, multiply it. The symbol is shift star. Then click the first class mark 3 and hit enter. Again, there is a suggested values. You can click that. This is not part, so we can delete it. Or if there is no suggested values, go to the first cell, put your cursor here, make sure the plus sign comes out, then drag down. And here you go. Then after you multiply frequency and class mark, you need to find the total of this. The formula is equal sign, type sum. You could see on top the formula, but if there is none, open parenthesis, then highlight all the number, close parenthesis, and enter. So there are different ways on how you find for the sum, but it's up to you which one do you want to use. So again, I will just change the color to recognize that this is the sum of the product of frequency and the class mark. Manually, the formula in finding for the mean is to divide the sum of the product of the frequency and class mark by the total number of frequency. Here, 1,828 divided by 91 is equal to 21.1 laps. So let us now find the mean using Google Sheet. The formula is just simple division. That is equal sign, click 1,828, divide by the total frequency and hit enter. So the value is 20.0879. On here, it is rounded to 1 decimal place. Remember, if the variable is discrete, make it a whole number. If it's continuous, just leave it as a decimal number. So let us round up 20.08791209. Go over here, look for decreased decimal places. If you want to round that to 2 decimal places, that is fine. Or 1 decimal place is also okay. So the average number of laps is 20.1, same with the manual computation.